Welcome to Ziro. On this video, we will show you how color code is used on your Ziro modules and how you can program specific function to specific motors. Here we see the 6 available colors, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Using the Ziro app, glove controller, or Blockly, you can assign functions to each one of the modules individually. To change the color of your module, you can double-click the button on the module. It will then start cycling through the colors. Click the button again once when the module is on the desired color to select it. Here we select the green color. So from now on, this module will respond to the commands which are programmed to the green colored modules. If you double-click the module button and do not select any color, the module will cycle through all the colors and return to the previously saved color, in this case, green. So this shows you more details on how the modules function according to the different colors programmed.